When it comes to protecting your home and loved ones, few tools offer the reliability, power, and intimidation factor of a shotgun. In 2025, manufacturers have continued to refine and innovate their home defense models, delivering shotguns that are not only more ergonomic and tactical, but also tailored to meet the needs of both experienced shooters and first-time gun owners. Whether you're looking for pump action dependability, semi-automatic speed, or compact designs ideal for tight spaces, this guide highlights the 11 best shotguns for home defense in 2025. From trusted classics to cutting-edge newcomers, these shotguns represent the top choices for stopping threats and securing peace of mind. Keltech KS7. The Keltech KS7 is a powerful, compact bullpup 12-gauge pump shotgun purpose-built for home defense. It packs a 6+1 capacity with 3-inch shells, or 7+1 with 2 3/4 inch into an 18.5-inch barrel, all housed in a sleek package just 26.1 inches long. An impressively compact size with full 12-gauge performance, weighing in at an unloaded 5.9 pounds and featuring a manageable 13-inch length of pull. It offers agile handling and rapid response. Its distinctive carry handle includes a bright fiber optic bead sight and, with upward adaptability, can be swapped for a Picatinny rail, while downward ejection ensures full ambidextrous use. The MSRP is $545 for the standard black finish. For those needing compact 12-gauge power, the KS7 is an intuitive, reliable, and compact defender, balancing size, firepower, and value with finesse. Beretta 1301 Tactical MOD2. The Beretta 1301 Tactical Model 2 elevates a trusted defensive platform with thoughtful enhancements that matter in high-pressure scenarios. It's a 12-gauge semi-auto with a 3-inch chamber, sporting an 18.5-inch barrel, 37.8-inch overall length, and an unloaded weight of 6.7 pounds, delivering agile handling in tight home spaces. The 7+1 capacity ensures plenty of firepower at the ready. Powered by Beretta's ultra-quick B-Link gas system paired with a rotating bolt, it cycles faster and more reliably than many peers. Upgrades include a textured M-Lock forend for accessory mounting, a semi-flat tactical trigger, and the Pro Lifter system for smoother reloads. Official options span black, FDE, OD green, and grey finishes. Pricing for the Model 2 models typically starts around $1,720. Remington 870. The Remington 870 Home Defense is a rugged and dependable 12-gauge pump-action shotgun crafted for personal protection. Featuring an 18.5-inch barrel with a cylinder choke, it offers secure functionality with standard home defense loads and accepts all Model 870 barrels without modification. It's sling-ready and includes the FlexiTab anti-jam system, enhancing reliability under stress. The shotgun holds 4+1 rounds, or 6+1 with a 2-shot magazine extension, boasts an overall length of 38.5 inches, and weighs approximately 7.5 pounds. Available in a matte black receiver with a walnut satin stock, it combines classic aesthetics with tactical readiness. Pricing typically falls under $500, offering enduring performance at a budget-friendly price point. Benali M4. The Benali M4 Tactical, also known as the M1014, is a legendary 12-gauge semi-automatic shotgun built for reliability and combat-proven performance. Ideal for home defense. It features the ARGO, auto-regulating gas-operated system, piston-driven, self-cleaning, and capable of operating with 2 3/4 inches or 3 inches shells without adjustment. Equipped with ghost ring sights and a Picatinny rail for optics, it boasts oversized controls for fast manipulation under stress. Standard civilian variants offer 5+1 capacity, while law enforcement models extend to 7+1. It features a durable synthetic stock, an 18.5-inch barrel, overall length of around 40 inches, and weighs approximately 7.8 pounds. As for pricing, the civilian M4 starts at approximately $2,300, while tactical configurations can reach $2,400. Rugged, adaptable, and self-reliable, the Benali M4 remains a top-tier home defense shotgun. Savage Renegge. The Savage Renegge Security redefines home defense shotguns with rugged build and customizable fit. Chambered in 12-gauge 3-inch, it features an 18.5-inch fluted melanite finished barrel, adjustable stock for length of pull, 14.25 to 15.07 inches, height and drop and cast, plus a recoil-absorbing stock rod buffer. The dual regulating inline valve gas system ensures consistent cycling from heavy to low recoil loads with reduced felt recoil, accented by oversized controls, easy loading magazine port, and ghost ring sights with integrated rail. It offers 6+1 capacity, weighs approximately 7 pounds, and spans 40 inches overall. Priced at an MSRP of $1,339 for North America, the Renegge Security brings premium defensive features, adjustability, reliability, and ergonomics, all in one polished, value-driven package. GeForce Arms 12 Hammer. The GeForce Arms 12 Hammer is a rugged 12-gauge semi-automatic shotgun crafted in Turkey, designed for maximum versatility in home defense. It boasts an 18.5-inch full steel barrel, offering adaptability for tight indoors or open-range use. The rear-driven gas piston cycles reliably, from light 7.5 shot to 3-inch T-shot and steel, without requiring high-velocity ammunition, making it remarkably forgiving of various loads. Built with a forged T6-7075 aluminum upper receiver, polymer lower receiver, and synthetic stock, it delivers durability and corrosion resistance. The buffer tube system and approximately 8.4 pounds weight mitigate recoil during rapid follow-up shots, while its adjustable overall length, 31.1 inches to 48.2 inches, ensures ergonomic fit. An integrated Picatinny rail enables mounting accessories like lights and optics. With an MSRP of $379, it offers premium features at a compelling price. Winchester SX4 Defender. The Winchester SX4 Defender is a rugged, semi-automatic tactical shotgun designed for home defense versatility. It features the reliable active valve gas-operated system, ensuring smooth cycling across a wide range of loads. Its compact 18.5-inch barrel, flush Invector Plus choke system, including full, modified, and improved cylinder, and chromed barrel chamber mean low maintenance and dependable performance. Built with a corrosion-resistant FDE Cerakote finish on both barrel and aluminum receiver, the synthetic stock boasts textured grips, while oversized controls, like an enlarged bolt handle and bolt release, and an Inflex 2 recoil pad, enhance usability under stress. It also includes ghost ring sights, a Picatinny optics rail, and a reversible safety, all wrapped in a package weighing 6 pounds 14 ounces, with 4+1 capacity, 39.5-inch overall length, and 14.25-inch length of pull. With an MSRP of $1,269.99 for the FDE version, it offers premium defensive features. Stoer M3000. The Stoer M3000 is a reliable 12-gauge semi-automatic defense shotgun featuring the inertia-driven system that handles both 2 3/4 inch and 3-inch magnum loads without adjustment. It comes with a synthetic stock and includes 3 choke tubes, IC, modified, XFT, plus a shim kit for adjusting, drop, and cast. The stock and receiver are finished in black synthetic and blued steel, respectively, with a red bar front sight. It holds a 4+1 capacity, has an overall length of about 47.75 to 49.75 inches, depending on barrel choice. A length of pull of 14 3/8 inches, weighs approximately 7.3 to 7.4 pounds, and includes drilled and tapped receiver for optics mounting. MSRP starts at $559 for base models and rises to around $699 for premium finishes. Remington V3 Tactical. The Remington V3 Tactical is a highly capable home defense shotgun built on the V3 auto-loading platform and featuring the patented VersaPort gas system for exceptional reliability and soft recoil. It sports oversized controls, charging handle, bolt release, and safety for quick and intuitive manipulation, as well as a flared loading port for rapid reloading. The model includes a fixed 18.5-inch improved cylinder-choked barrel, available with either a vent rib bead or XS low-profile rifle sights, and a 6+1 capacity. Overall length is 39.5 inches, with a manageable weight of around 7.625 pounds, and it boasts a supercell recoil pad and synthetic black stock and finish. Pricing varies, but one retailer lists it around $1,120. Mossberg 590 Shockwave. The Mossberg 590 Shockwave brings formidable home defense performance in a compact 14.375-inch heavy-walled barrel configuration with a matte blued finish and fixed cylinder bore choke, offering exceptional reliability and maneuverability. It features the unique Raptor bird's head grip and a strapped forend that keeps the supporting hand clear of the muzzle, great for fast, instinctive pointing and minimal felt recoil. As a pump action, it delivers proven durability. With traditional Mossberg engineering, it holds 5+1 rounds and clocks in at approximately 5.25 pounds. According to Mossberg's official site, the Shockwave retails around $581 USD. Overall, this model is an agile, dependable choice for close quarters defense, packing Mossberg's strong reliability into a short, household-friendly design. Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol. The Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol stands out as a rugged, reliable semi-automatic tactical shotgun finely tuned for home defense. It features oversized controls, loading port, bolt release, bolt handle, and a reversible safety for swift manipulation even under stress. Built-in accessory mounts include a 7-slot Picatinny rail, 3 M-Lock slots, and 3 QD sling points. The extended magazine holds 7+1 rounds and is secured by a custom barrel clamp with integral M-Lock functionality. It sports a compact stock with a 13-inch length of pull, a barrel around 19.1 inches, overall length of 38 inches, and weight between 7.3 to 7.9 pounds. Priced from $1,150 for the standard model, this shotgun brings premium defensive features without excessive cost, making it a top-tier choice for home protection setups.